Hey, welcome back to Just the Chords. Today it is The Giver from Chappell Roan. All right, this is a 3-chord song, as easy as it gets. I'm going to show you those 3 chords and then show you the pattern for the verses, the chorus, all of it, except the pre-chorus has a separate pattern. This song starts on A major, A, C sharp, E. Can always add a root in the left hand. Goes on to an E major, E, G sharp, B. E, G sharp, B, and then the last chord we need to learn is a B major, B, D sharp, F sharp, add a root, B major. Again, those 3 chords and the order they play in are A, E major, and B major. And that's the order they go in for the verse, the intro, the chorus. Rock it, A, suspension, back to A, back to E, back to B. Yeah. And the only time that changes is the pre-chorus, when we go from A to B, back and forth. And then it is the chorus. Just repeat that and rock for the whole song. Have some fun with that. With the B chord, I'm doing a suspension on and off, meaning that third note is going back and forth by a half step, just to provide some tension and release. That's the whole song. Trust yourself. Go back and watch those patterns again. Practice them with me. Practice makes better. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.